Good morning, I am George Wehner and I am here on the Anchorage Road in St. John's, Antigua. Now the Anchorage Road, this is a major artery that takes traffic to and from St. John's to the northwest and vice versa, from the northwest back into St. John's. And I am here at this spot, the Anchorage Road, which separates York's community and the Upper Fort Road's community. We used to call it Jailman Ground. And this obstruction, this ongoing road works has been in the works for several months. Most of 2022 they dug up this road, and as you can see, there's a excavator here on site. Traffic has to detour into York's community, and we'll see how far we can get on this site. It's mucky. It has been raining, it's mucky. This is gonna be trouble. Just for you. Ooh. Oh my. And this is what obtains. This is what obtains in the York's community, Anchorage Road. And this has been like this for several months. As you can see, traffic is detour, will make a descent down. This gap spans the waterway that comes from Woods Pond through Upper Fort Road and down into the McKinnon Swamp. And so this should have been works that would have taken a few weeks, has resulted in works for, and here we have someone who is taking a photo of me and I'm taking a photo of the person, but no problem. Works that has taken longer than anticipated, than expected. As you can see, the traffic being diverted through the York's community. And this has been like this. We see a pump going, bailing the water from in this area. Obviously no work will be taking place today, and this is what obtains. So for those of you who are thinking that this will be resolved shortly, this ain't happening no time soon. No time soon would this be resolved. Let's see how far we can get before we got sucked in. So as you can see, in some parts it's a 12 to 15 foot drop and they're pumping out the water. And in some parts about 15 feet from the edge of this house, this private property. And this is what obtains. On the Anchorage Main Road, this junction dug up to facilitate a bridge. As you can see, they dammed the waterway. We're now into the hurricane season, and this dam that you see there, this coffer dam that was built to retain the water coming through the waterway from Woods Pond through Upper Fort Road, this won't hold if we have a shower rain, and we're into the Atlantic storm season. So if we have a tropical depression, a tropical storm, this is gonna burst and wash away all this material that has been spread here to lay the foundation for other works. So we're really in a pickle situation. And obviously it would appear that either the monies ran out, they're out of monies, or they're out of ideas. But after several months, this is what obtains. George Wehner reporting to you live from the bottom of the depression here at the bridge on the construction on the Anchorage Road in the York's Crown Gardens community. Remember to like and subscribe to realnewsantigua.com.